Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And my friend Jason told me that he would like to adopt my fast cooking system because he wants to prepare all his food so he could improve his diet. He said that he would like to find an efficient cooking system so he can make home cooking as part of his daily routines. I told Jason that if that is what you want to do, you have come to the right place. I designed my fast cooking system for people who want to make all their own food from scratch using minimum amount of fast and processed food. However, the cooking system has to be efficient so that it can fit into their daily routines. I designed my fast cooking system because there are no cooking system available right now to achieve this goal. My fast cooking system has 4 attributes, and the word fast is the acronym for flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. To adopt my fast cooking system is to master these 4 attributes. Application of these 4 attributes will make home cooking practical, fun, efficient, and creative. I told Jason that this will allow him to cook a meal for him and his wife every night from scratch in less than 30 minutes. And he can cook up to 3 dishes because each dish on average takes about 10 minutes to cook. The fast cooking system not only provides efficiency for the cooking process, but it also makes home cooking fun and creative. And by using template-based cooking rather than recipe-based cooking, there's no limit of what kind of dishes that one could create. This vegetable dish that I created last night is an example. It is completely out of the blue. This is a stir-fried tofu dish with 7 different kinds of vegetables. I did not plan to use these 7 different kinds of vegetables. However, the advanced prepping guide me in making the choices because this is the end of the week and I have to use up what I have left. I told Jason advanced prepping is the deal breaker of the cooking system. Without it, the cooking system would not work at all. Yes, without any question, a stir frying provides the speed in the cooking process, but without advanced prepping, it would not be efficient at all. A stir frying requires a significant amount of prepping to cut the pieces into the sizes that is appropriate for stir frying. However, if you already have the ingredients prepped in advance, then stir frying is a rapid and efficient process as most dishes take somewhere between 5 to 10 minutes to cook. So the efficiency of my fast cooking system comes from prepping the ingredients in the beginning of the week. So each night, all you have to do is to spend about 20 to 30 minutes to cook your meal all from scratch. Stir frying is a great cooking technique because it allows you to cook many different ingredients together in the same wok, therefore to create almost infinite combinations. For example, in this dish, I have 7 different kinds of vegetables that include eggplant, cauliflower, winter melon, Napa cabbage, red cabbage, mushroom, tomatoes, and together with tofu. I do not cook this dish with a recipe, rather I cook this dish with my basic vegetable stir-fry template. This template provides a set of guidelines how to stir-fry vegetables, and I can make modifications and adjustments to this template to include different kinds of vegetables. I could not emphasize more the importance of a vegetable medley. First is to increase your consumption of vegetables, which we all would like to eat more, as well as to increase the varieties of vegetables that you will eat. Jason told me that the primary reason he wants to make his own food because he would like to eat more vegetables. And I told Jason that is exactly what my fast cooking system designed to do. I told Jason that the reason I love stir frying is because of its efficiency, and it is fun, and it is healthy, it's flavorful, it's flexible, and it is extremely convenient. Because all you need is a wok, a good wok spatula, and a stove, such as a simple camping stove, then you are good to go. I will have a good knife to prep your ingredients and a few seasoning agents to season your dish. You can cook almost anything you want. If stir frying is the only cooking function you want the wok to perform, then any wok will do the job. But the wok can carry out many other functions. For example, in addition to stir frying, the wok can be used for boiling, for steaming, for pan frying, deep frying, for slow cooking, for braising. And if you can put the wok into the oven, you can use it for baking, roasting, as well as broiling. My everyday wok is a Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok because I can use this wok to perform all of the functions that I have listed. I told Jason that there are many woks on the market, but the most important thing is for him to select a wok that with natural surface, which means that a wok without non-stick coating. By using a process known as seasoning, it is possible to create a non-stick cooked surface on this type of woks with natural surfaces. The primary advantage of this type of woks is that they are safer to use. You don't have to worry about the non-stick coating to come off from the surface of the cookware. And they last much longer. In fact, you can pass them from one generation to the next. Also, you can use any wok spatula that you prefer, such as a stainless steel wok spatula, without worrying about scratching the surface of the wok. And because it is a natural surface, there is nothing to scratch off. So I told Jason this is all he needs to get started to adopt my fast cooking system. First of all, to do advanced prepping, so you have something to cook with. And secondly, is to get a wok and cook a few dishes and figure out how to use the wok. I told him that once you get this going, the advanced prepping actually will guide what you're going to cook because you will cook whatever that is available to you in the refrigerator. And because of the advanced prepping, you will enjoy the time-saving aspect of the cooking system that will allow you to cook any meal under 30 minutes. Yes, in the beginning, your stir-frying meals could be quite simple, but in time, it will increase in complexity. And by using a few simple templates, initially, you will gradually to develop more complex and more involved templates. And of course, then you will approach in improving the flavor of your dish using the flavor chasing concept of the fast cooking system. You will continue to grow with this cooking process, and you gradually find yourself that you are quickly become your own very best cook. I call this the 6C process. First of all, you will develop the competence in advanced prepping and stir frying. And secondly, it's confidence. You realize that you can cook the type of the dish that you want. And number 3 is consistency. You start to cook on a regular basis. Like they said, practice makes perfect. Number 4, creativity. Pretty soon you start to come up with your own dishes and with the flavor that you love and enjoy. And number 5, commitment. Once you able to achieve the result that you want, you realize that this is something that you will want to continue to do. Number 6 is conviction. Once you see how home cooking able to improve your health, able to extend your social relationship, and able to have a significant benefit to the environment, you will come to the decision that this is something what you want to do for the rest of your life. This 6th step is important in the development of my home cooking, but it's also important in other aspects of my life. So home cooking is a journey, and there are many different paths to travel on this journey, and my fast cooking system is one of such paths to help you achieve your goal. I post a video each day on how to adopt my fast cooking system to make home cooking as part of your daily routines. So if you'd like to learn more about my fast cooking system, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So keep on cooking. I will see you tomorrow.